getting things started. Green Bay won the toss, deferred, so the Packers will kick off. Cordarrelle Patterson will take it from 8 yards deep, and one of their #1 draft choices through the middle, and he starts things with a great run back, being chased by Lastay. He can't get him, and all the way for a touchdown. And they're going to rule it 109 yards, which equals the longest play in the history of the National Football League. You can't have a play any longer than that.
You could almost give him 109.5. He almost stepped out of the back of the end zone.
Yards, the longest play of the game. Heineke throws it into the end zone. Touchdown! What a throw, and Ricky Seals-Jones is there for Washington. The back end of it got both feet down, and his first catch with Washington is for that touchdown.
There's Hawkinson inside.
Here we go. Goff from the gun to the end zone. It is caught. Touchdown.
Watch the cushion here by Dantzler. He did it earlier and gave the cushion. Huge cushion there. Excuse me, that was Woods, I believe. St. Brown with a nice touchdown, and boy, if you're a Lions fan, how good does that feel?
Amon-Ra St. Brown with a game winner with zeros on the clock. And the Detroit Lions.
Manning lobs it. Burris alone. Touchdown, New York. Tell you, Joe, you take a look at this route here by Plexico Burris. A great job. Ellis Hobbs in coverage. He starts to the inside just enough to sell the slant, and then he goes to the corner. They call that the slant and go route, sluggo route, and it worked beautifully. Eli Manning puts a little pump fake on him to get him to bite, and then goes to the corner. I tell you, Peyton Manning, when Eli Manning talked to him about, got any advice for me, and Peyton Manning said, I think you're beyond me giving you any more advice. And that shot of Peyton Manning, as much as that win last year for the Colts and him winning his first Super Bowl a year ago, I get the feeling he's a little happier tonight than what he might have even been back then.
Plexico Burris had been held down all night. As big a reason why the Giants got past the Packers in the NFC Championship game with his 11 catches, 151 yards. Did not have a catch the entire second half, 2 all night. But none bigger in his career. With 35 seconds left, the Giants lead by 3.